Warga Patisi TV.
Admissions open for degree courses in St. Khasi College. Various VTC courses are offered along with majors in many subjects. Pay reasonable fees in installments. Meritorious students will be given fees concession.
You're from the same planet, sir? I'm also from Nonglait.
Yeah, he's also double. Yeah, we are brothers.
Pagpapro, tentang lebih kuat lagi baru bagi pelaj semua syah kini giant street di pelabuhan ini. Jadi yo.
Ka General Executive Council trong kasang National People's Party Kepala Long Menta Kasngi Haskit Central Library Presiden Barang Bakdo trong kasang NPP Konrad K Sangma ulapan banapat ba bau Dr. DRL Nonglait uday Kyrtong trong kasang NPP nakabenta ke Elekshon Shiteng Samoi na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ke NPP kelap tiang burom ru yo Dr. Nonglait bau unlong kumudukot bapura trong kasang NPP.
Our respected office bearers of the National People's Party, of the National Committee, as well as of the State Committee, and all members of the National People's Party from different frontal organizations who have come here to be part of this general body meeting. I welcome each and every one of you to this very, very important meeting. Second, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the party to welcome Dr. Nonglait to the National People's Party family. Let's give a round of applause. Yeah. I also would like to ask everybody to please stand up where we are so that we can once again welcome friends at this position to make. And as has been proposed by the State Committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. With the approval of the General Committee that has come from different constituencies and with the approval from our State President and the entire committee, I would like to now officially announce Dr. Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election. Thank you very much. We also have with us Congress Mary Harpuri, who is the President for National People's Women Front. She is also the MDC. She will be felicitating Sir Nonglait as well. In your manwan bansoi ya ke Kyrtong ke jong I ha kini ki kot kisla ki padon kam ban in long I the kot I papura jong ka NPP family.
Bapak Bro atau ngene yo air jing hapti.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your contribution to the public.
At this moment, I request the national president, of course the state president, and Sir Snyauba as well, to kindly felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. The first to felicitate is the national president, National People's Party, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, who is also the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big round of applause. The next dignitary to felicitate will be the State President, National People's Party, Shri Preston Tinsong. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. We have the National Vice President NPP, Sir Snyauba, to felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. The next person to felicitate will be the President of National People's Youth Front, Sir Wailat Miki Shilla. He is also the Minister. We also have, before we do that, we have Sir Hamlet to pin a badge of honor to Sir Nonglait. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Next, we will have Sir Wailat Miki Shilla, who is the President for National People's Youth Front, to felicitate. We have the National Working.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.